Ready to take the stress out of investing and build wealth over time? What if I told you there's a simple, powerful strategy that can help you do just that, especially when paired with an amazing platform like M1 Finance? Today, we're diving into dollar cost averaging and how you can master it using M1 Finance to automate your investing journey. What is dollar cost averaging? So, what exactly is dollar cost averaging? It's a fancy term for a very simple concept: investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Think of it like this: instead of trying to time the market by making a huge lump sum investment, you're consistently buying small pieces of your investments. When prices are high, your fixed amount buys fewer shares. When prices are low, that same amount buys more shares. Over time, this averages out your purchase price, reducing your risk and emotional stress. It's a proven strategy that takes the guesswork out of investing. Why M1 Finance is perfect for DCA. Now, here's where M1 Finance comes in and makes this strategy incredibly easy. M1 Finance is built for automation. Their platform uses what they call pies, which are essentially a portfolio of stocks and ETFs. You can create a custom pie with your desired asset allocation, and M1's automated system does the rest. How to set it up? Let's walk through the simple steps to set this up. Step 1. Create a pie. You'll first want to create a new pie or edit an existing one. A pie is just a portfolio where you can add different stocks and ETFs and set a specific percentage for each. For example, your pie could be 60% VOO, 20% QQQ, and 20% ARKK. This is your target allocation. Step 2. Fund your pie. Once your pie is set, you need to set up an automated funding schedule. Go to your account's transfer section and click on Schedule. Here, you can tell M1 to automatically transfer a set amount of money from your bank account to your M1 Invest account on a regular basis, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Step 3. M1 automates the rest. This is the magic part. When the scheduled transfer hits your M1 account, M1's dynamic rebalancing feature automatically invests the new money into your pie. It directs the funds to the holdings that are below their target percentage. This isn't just buying, it's smart buying. M1 is essentially dollar cost averaging and rebalancing your portfolio at the same time, ensuring your investments stay aligned with your long-term goals. It's a completely hands-off approach. You set it once and let it run, taking all the emotion out of investing. No more panic selling or fear of missing out. You're just consistently building your portfolio, one automated transfer at a time. This is the power of using dollar cost averaging with M1 Finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.